One of the perfect ways to entertain your holiday guest is by building a large charcuterie board. Traditionally, a charcuterie board is filled with cured meats, cheeses, veggies, nuts, olives, dried fruits, and crackers. When building your charcuterie board, make sure that all taste areas are covered: sweet, salty, sour, bitter, and of course, umami. On this particular board, I've added mini gherkins, marinated artichokes, and olives to expand your flavor profile. Also, try to incorporate some fun things like mustard seeds and jams. Jams tend to pair amazingly with soft cheeses. This apricot jam tastes amazing on goat cheese. If you find yourself short on time, just pick up a Harry and David's variety box. It contains cured meats, cheeses, mustards, and crackers, which are perfect for a charcuterie board. For an epic charcuterie board, I also like to incorporate dips and spreads. Here we have a French onion spread and a hummus. Mixed holiday nuts are also a perfect addition to any charcuterie board. You can just lay them right on next to your cubes of cheeses and cured meats. And don't worry if they have a shell on them, like these pistachios. The whole idea is that you can pick up and graze along the charcuterie board. Harry and David's also has a great dried fruit tree, which is perfect for adding to any charcuterie board. Don't forget the desserts. Charcuterie boards don't have to be only meat and cheese. You could actually create a dessert board as well. Items like these tasty chocolate-covered grahams would be perfect on a dessert charcuterie board, mixed in with bite-sized cheesecake, macaroons, fresh fruit, and some dipping sauces like caramel or hot chocolate. I also like to add in bite-sized pieces of cakes, cookies, and other baked goods. They are perfect for dipping in the sauces. A fun charcuterie board idea would be to make a long grazing board where you start through all the courses of a meal: appetizers, main course, and desserts, all on one simple board. For more festive recipe ideas to celebrate your holiday, please visit www.genrondesigns.com.